Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about a transition that many engineers are dreaming of, but often find challenging. Moving from a technical role to a management role. Now, I have been through this journey myself, going from a hands-on software developer to a CTO and a co-founder. It's a path filled with exciting opportunities, but also requires some mindset shift. So let's dive deep into what is required to achieve this career change successfully. Let me start by sharing a bit of my story. Early in my career, I was all about technical details, writing code, solving problems, and diving deep into the software development. And don't get me wrong, I loved it. But as I took more responsibilities at companies like Mercedes and Ford, I realized that if I wanted to make a bigger impact, I needed to expand my focus beyond just the technical work. This is my first big lesson. To move up, you have to broaden your perspective. So what does this mean? As an engineer, you are often focused on solving specific problems. But as you move into leadership, it's no longer just about the code or the product. It's about strategy, vision, and people. You have to start thinking about how your work fits into the bigger picture, how it aligns with the company's goals, and how it affects the entire team. This shift from technical mindset to a strategic one is a must. And trust me, it's not always easy, but it is necessary. Another key area is communication. When I first started leading teams, I realized that being a good communicator was just as important as being technically skilled. As a leader, your job is to inspire, guide your team, and communicate the vision clearly to make sure that everyone is on the same page. This means you have to be able to translate complex technical topics into a language that non-technical stakeholders can understand. It's a skill that took me a while to develop, but it's one of the most important skills to have as a leader. Now, let's talk about the decision making. As a software developer, I was used to make decisions based on logic and data. What made more sense based on the technical requirements. However, in a leading role, decisions often involve balancing multiple factors: technical feasibility, business goals, and timelines. This requires a different kind of thinking. You have to be ready to make decisions with incomplete information and taking calculated risks. And here is a tip: don't be afraid to trust your gut. Experience has taught me that intuitive plays a big role in leadership. One more thing I want to touch on is mentorship and team development. When I moved to a leadership role, I quickly realized that my success depends not only on my skills, but on the success of the whole team. This means your focus needs to shift to mentoring, developing, and empowering others. In my experience, seeing the people you have mentored grow into leaders themselves is one of the most rewarding parts of my career. Lastly, remember that this journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Moving from engineering to leadership is a process that takes time, patience, and a lot of learning. It's about continuously evolving, whether it's improving your leadership skills, expanding your business knowledge, or just learning to see the bigger picture. I have been on this path for years, and I'm still learning every day. If you are on this journey or thinking about making the leap, know that it's absolutely possible with the right mindset and approach. If you have any question about moving into a leadership role, drop it in the comment. I'm happy to help. Thank you.